always, thank you for clicking on this video. Today, I decided to finally try the Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector, which is a bun builder that promises to mend broken buns caused by chemical, thermal, and mechanical damage. It's formulated for all hair types. It can be used up to 3 times a week and should be applied to damp, towel-dried hair. Here, I rinsed my dirty hair with water to get some of the product out of my hair. Then I applied the perfector generously from root to tip to saturate my hair. If you've used this product before, leave a comment below and let me know your experience with it. And if you're thinking about trying it, let me know what you're trying to correct. And my baby likes to keep me entertained while I'm doing my hair. And here's a drawing from her. The instructions say to leave it on for a minimum of 10 minutes, rinse, then shampoo. I chose to leave it on for about 30 minutes while I did some cleaning around my home, and then I just completed with my regular shampoo. And I wasn't really sold on this the first time around. I didn't really see or feel a difference in my hair. However, the second time, about 2 weeks later, I felt a small difference. My hair appeared to be a little stronger. I have enough to try it one more time before I decide whether it's worth adding to my hair regimen. And so I guess we'll see. But here's my hair after the treatment. And as you can see, my ends look terrible. So I'm going to clip them. And this is how much I clipped this time around. I hope you found this video useful. If so, please give it a like and let me know in the comments. See you next time.